What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today we're going to install this thing to see if it really makes a difference. Follow me. Alright, shout out to Sling Mods. Ordered a 3-inch lift kit for the Ryker. It's for all the Rykers except for the 2022s, Sport and Rally. So this is what we got here. Comes in the box. It's going to be this aluminum bracket or lift. Right, very lightweight. Feels good though. Solid aluminum construction. Mounting hardware is enclosed and instructions. They say altering this product will void the warranty. What you're going to need is a jack and some ratchets, and you're going to have to get underneath and disconnect the shock. But let's go ahead and start doing that. Let's start by jacking this bad boy up, getting some pressure off the rear tire. 17mm socket. There probably is a bolt on the other side, so I'll have to grab that with an open end because there's not too much room to get back there. And then we'll start removing the shock. So we're going to remove the bolt that holds on the rear shock so we can add the spacer. Make sure your shock is on the highest setting if you have the 600 or the 900 standard, and we're just going to keep turning this until we get the bolt out. Bolts out. Just to let you know, that bolt on the other side is welded, so you didn't have to hold it with anything. So the bolt's out. Now let's see how this piece goes in. Oh. All right, dropped in nice and easy. So we're gonna add the new bolt. They give you one that's gonna go here, and the original goes back here. Man, I should have painted it. I think would have been a good look. But let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, it's installed. I think, yeah, I put this on the highest setting. Yeah, this is on the highest setting. 3-inch lift kit installed. I'm gonna drop it down. Just a little trick. I had a piece of wood here so I could keep the tire up while I align the screw holes. Alright, so the 3-inch lift kit has been installed. It definitely picked up the bike a lot, I think. And that's pretty much as leveled out as I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna sit on it and you guys could tell me if it moves. I also put it all the way up to the highest setting. So let's see how it looks. Alright, so I'm gonna try with a passenger, see if it works out, but that's it. That's the installation of the 3-inch lift kit from Sling Mods. If you want it to be up a little higher and you don't want it bouncing and hitting the back fender, I think that's a good pickup. Ride safe, everybody, ride safe.